Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, Today we are going to see about basic Python coding where stripe and replace related string functions, how we are going to use it in the Python. So let me create a initialize the variable yes equal to space hello world space and let's print stripes s.strip stripe. Let's print the yes first and observe the result. And yes dot stripe is there. Let's try to run it. What exactly it does. So basically, stripe function what it do is prefix and I mean at the beginning and the end it will see if any space is available. If it is there, then it will trim it and it will display the result. And in Excel or other programming languages, equivalent function we will be using as a trim. Over in Python, we will be using the stripe function. So let's see the result. Yeah. So in the first, we are able to see that there are spaces, but when we are using the stripe function, the spaces at the beginning and ending is got trimmed. So the next function, what we are going to see is replace. The replace function, we have to pass the argument. I'm going to say that replace all L with one, number one. I need to close it. Let's try to run this code. Okay, so yeah, I'm supposed to put single quote because that is a character. So let's try to run now. Okay, what is that? It's not an integer. Oh yeah, I think this one is also supposed to be in single quote. So basically, replace function, both the arguments supposed to be in string or string or in character format. So we are supposed to put it in singular double quote, which was causing the issue. Okay, so we are able to see that it is replaced with one. Let me try to put two so that we will be able to observe the result very clearly. Yeah. So as you can see, the L character is replaced with 2. So this is how we need to use the strip and replace function string functions in Python. Thanks for watching this video.